Hey guys, this is Tiana Tomlinson. Yeah, today I'm gonna be singing for you guys. I'm not the best singer, but today I feel kind of confident. So the song I'm going to be singing is, let's see, I'm actually kind of winging it, so don't judge. I'm gonna be trying. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna attempt to sing OMG Girls Lover Boy. Attempt. If I don't sing well, please don't be nasty in the comments. I know I can't sing. So, yeah. No one's singing. And please subscribe.
Are you lying?
Forever's way too long to be waiting on you. You don't seem to get it to you. You better wake up. Come on, boy, stop playing with my heart. We can be more than temporary. January like February. Trying to make us so official, like oh, oh, like a lover boy in the fire, lover boy. Think about when I be old. Oh, what you do to me. You're the only one I think about.
I'm not exactly
We can be on
You did it again? Sorry. You did the charm. Like, yeah, no.
Okay, that was my song. Don't judge me. I know I can't sing. I tried my best. That's what matters. So, bye guys. This is Tiana singing Lover Boy by OMG Girls. Subscribe if you can.
That's it.
Bye.
I'm not doing it.